VT uniforms are surprisingly comfortable, aren't they?
They really are. And the new ventilation system is working great.
All right, bring it back just a foot. Easy now, and set it down.
I'm carefully leveling the scoop now to ensure accurate measurement before transferring it to the vial.
Here at VT, we take pride in the quality of our product. Notice the fine, crystalline structure of this powder.
Pressing the green button to start the VT mixing cycle. Hear the motor engage.
We're looking at a continuous cascade of high-quality palm stearic acid flakes filling the hopper, ensuring a steady supply for processing.
The temperature is still rising. We are approaching 100 degrees Celsius. But keep an eye on the pressure valve.
The pH reading is 7.2.
The pH is stable at 7.2.
Yes.
Pressure holding at 30 psi. I'm logging the data and adjusting the flow rate slightly.
The consistency is perfect on this batch. Nice and flexible.
We carefully scoop the required amount of paste, leveling it precisely to the mark. Secure the lid tightly to prevent
The new batch is perfectly smooth. See the consistency as it fills the jar.
We're adjusting the flow rate now for that perfect smooth extrusion. And listen to the precise cut.
And here you can see the flying knife slicing the soap. It's a very clean cut every time, making the perfect billet.
The width is consistent at 98 millimeters. Quality check passed. The width is consistent at 98 millimeters. Quality check passed.
stamping the VT logo onto the soap, making sure it's perfect before stacking it with the others. This is our signature VT bar. Notice the perfect finish. Now for the satisfying slice.
This is the automatic reject chute. When a product fails the vision test, the pneumatic arm swiftly removes it from the line and drops it into the collection bin below.
Make sure it's aligned properly. Okay, next one is ready.
And now we blow the excess powder away, revealing the stamp underneath.
The tensile strength is measured at 43 psi. The sample is approved.
The reading confirms exactly 85 units on the penetrometer scale.
The needle slowly presses into the soap. So soft. And the reading is exactly 85 units.
Check the feeder alignment on station 3.
Looks good from here. Cycles are steady.
Align the printer head, press the button, and slide smoothly. We're printing EXP 2027. And that's the final fold. Secure and ready to go. We are folding the Dove soap cases now. See the VT stamp on the blue uniform.
And we press down firmly, rolling smoothly across the seam to ensure a tight seal on the cardboard. Scanned. Location A7. Next item, PKG R2. Quantity confirmed. Inventory complete.
Keep the pace up, ladies. Almost done with this batch.
Aligning the next case now. Secure placement confirmed. Moving back for the next cycle.
Very efficient. The alignment is perfect.
Once the loading process is complete, the driver performs the final safety checks before exiting the main gate and heading to the distribution center.